Hello everyone, my name is Mahmoud Rahman Labib and I am here to present monthly recap webinar of January 2025 of FlyWP. Okay, starting with enhanced backup and storage settings, we have added Google Drive as our backup integration so that you can store and manage your backups directly inside of Google Drive. This feature will allow you to store and create backups inside your Google Drive directly, removing the necessity of having backup providers like Cloudflare R2. And we have expanded our backup history. Now users can view up to 200 backups instead of just 30. I know this is still not a proper fix. We will definitely add this feature with proper pagination. But for now, this is what our developers have been able to come up with within a very short period of time. So let's cheer to them. We have also added DigitalOcean backup regions. Two new backup regions have been added, London and Toronto. This will allow our users with better backup flexibility. Moving on to the next part. Site management and performance upgrade. Under site management and performance upgrade, we do have clone and transfer feature across all of our servers. This will allow our users to easily duplicate or migrate WordPress sites into a new server. I know a lot of our users have been requesting this feature for a very long time, and we have been finally able to come up with this feature. Also, we have added PHP 8.3 support, and with the Imagic extension this time, we have improved our plugin compatibility and better image processing. So that's a good thing for us, and definitely our users will find it very, very useful. Moving on to MySQL and Docker log size. So yes, I know a lot of you have been complaining that MySQL bin logs and Docker logs are taking a lot of your server space. That has been solved. From now, this will prevent excessive log growth, and this will ensure a better health for your server. Moving on to the next part, user interface and support improvements. We have re-added OLS and Nginx logo to our front end. Let me explain why. A lot of our users have also complained that they cannot differentiate between two sites, which one is Nginx and which one is OLS. So we definitely had to re-add that. Yes, sometimes when we are moving fast, some features break. Some features will definitely break, like these things that, yes, this was a feature that was added to our functionality previously. We had to remove that to test out our user interface. And turns out that our users really like to differentiate which site was created using Nginx and which site was created using Open Lightspeed. So yes, we have added the feature to improve our user interface. Also, the thing that should be talked the most in this webinar, or this thing that should be talked the most or covered the most in this webinar, is we have added live chat support. This is a big leap for us. I know users have been complaining a lot about support of FlyWP. We are coming up with new solutions. We are coming up with strategies that how we can provide better support for you guys. Uh, on terms of that, live chat was added. Now our users can just directly go into dashboard, and if they have a question that can be solved within a minute or two, you don't really need to create a support ticket. You can just pop up the live chat, talk with us directly. We will be there almost 24/7 to provide you with a better support and better functionality. So creating tickets and waiting for a long time to get your easy problems resolved, that won't really happen. That issue have been taken care of right from now. Please feel free to use our live chat support, and we will definitely be simpler issues will definitely be taken care from the live chat support. Moving on to server system and security enhancement, my favorite part personally, we have added Herzner Singapore region. Yes, a lot of you might not find that useful, but this will definitely improve performance and lower the latency for our Asian users. And also, Ubuntu 24.04 support. Yes, now you can deploy and manage your servers with the latest Ubuntu version. This is still in beta, and this might break a feature or two, but definitely there will be a support provided whenever it's needed. And this is a feature that a lot of our users have been asking lately. Yes, so that had been added too. And also, we have added better SSL renewals with automatic SSL renewal process. Whenever SSL issue occurs or whenever your site goes out of secure, uh, there will be an email that will be sent to you as a notification, so you can check the SSL failure and keep your site secure at all given time. I think I have covered almost everything that we have had. This was really fast, I know, but if any user pops up, if any of you have a question, I'll be happy to cover. Okay, now yes, a lot of you might notice that we have been very user centric lately. We are focusing on our user demands, we are focusing on our support tickets so that our issues can be solved much faster and much effectively. So that our users doesn't really have to wait a really long period of time to get their issues resolved. So that was all about our monthly recap webinar. Thank you so much, guys, for attending, and I hope you will find this helpful. And even if you don't, there will always be our support, and definitely feel free to knock our support anytime. We'll be there to provide you with better assistance. Uh, Thank you so much, and that was all from January monthly recap webinar. Thank you everyone for attending.